Kamiranda. Ayan. So one thing that you're going to notice here, Kamiranda, is kita mo ang unang-una ngayon na coin or token na maraming open interest, almost 2,000%, is Zoom derivatives. 'Di ba? Pag sinabi kasing open interest, ito yung unsettled futures contracts, no? Yung mga hindi pa naliliquidate, hindi pa nako-close, hindi pa nasi-settle. So open interest yan. From the word itself, open, no? So the exchanges has the responsibility to settle that and pay them if they are profitable or liquidate the position kahit hindi na siya profitable, Kamiranda. Mapapansin mo, Zoom, 'di ba? Zoom 2,000%. 'Di ba? You also have Intel stocks, trade long STX, 'di ba? Forward Industries, Johnson & Johnson, Minimax, 'di ba? Robinhood, no? Ito ETF stocks, ProShares, isang malaking call out ito sa mga traders tulad natin, no? This is something we need to know. Let me tell you what's happening. Balikan muna natin kung ano pa yung nangyari noong nakaraang buwan with this quick interview.
How internet operates, how our on-demand economy operates. Investors today want to be able to price their assets when real-time events take place. This is why crypto markets have been so attractive to them. Now, when you tokenize equities or perhaps futures in the United States, two things happen. One, it's about accessibility. So now you could be on a Sunday morning recalibrating your positions or any given day during the night or what have you. And the other thing that happens, which I think is more exciting for the U.S. economy, is you have an equities market about 50 to 60 trillion on any given day. Can you imagine what happens when we open up these markets to foreign investors? Today, out of that 60, 70 trillion, you have about 18% foreign investors.
All right, so putulin natin doon. So what is he trying to say, Kamiranda? So basically, this is just an example of one exchange, no? Alam nyo ba, even Binance, BitGet are now offering tokenized stocks. But in this particular interview, Kamiranda, sinabi ni Haider na imagine mo na you're now going to offer stock positions, no? For anyone outside US and still trade them. Ito yung napakalaking innovation na gusto kong sabihin dito, Kamiranda, that I think we all need to acknowledge. No, one of the biggest things na gusto ko laging sabihin is yung access to trading platforms. At yun na nga, pinag-isa na, wherever you are, as long as you have a crypto exchange, meron na silang opportunity to trade those types of assets. No? Go to OKX, Bybit, BitGet, meron na silang mga stocks, no?